Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I'm going to show you how to make bread dough. And the same dough that you use for bread, you could use to make pizza. It's a good, fun time to sit back with your kids and make some bread or some pizza dough. Here, wait a minute. Not everybody has a mixer. No mixer? No problem. Here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Like I said, no problem. If you know how to scramble eggs with a fork and you have a big bowl, you can do this. Let me tell you. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Today we're going to use dry yeast. Every supermarket has dry yeast, guys. Grab yourself some dry yeast. Very inexpensive. You want to use you can use an all-purpose flour. You can use a 00 flour. It really doesn't matter. You could use a bread flour. I recommend for people for home use, get King Arthur bread dough. Okay? You could use King Arthur bread dough, which is very high in gluten, is what you want. Okay? So, first things first, we're going to get 2 cups of warm water. Not too hot, not too cold. 2 cups of warm water. Cup 1 of warm water. Cup 2 of warm water. A tablespoon of olive oil, 2 eggs, and 1 extra yolk. Egg 2. One extra yolk. Grab your fork, give it a little scramble, mix that together. 1/4 cup of sugar. Teaspoon of kosher salt or table salt, whatever salt you have is fine. Grab your fork again and mix together. Mix the yeast in hot water. Not too hot, but hot enough. Hot enough where you can stick your hand under it without burning yourself. Okay? For this one, I'm going to go grab my Wilmax bowl. Guys, check them out, Wilmax.com. They are elegant without the elegant prices, guys. I got my Wilmax bowl here. I'm going to grab 1 cup of hot water. 1 cup of hot water to touch. 1 packet of dry yeast. There are tons of ways how to activate your yeast or mix your yeast in with your dough. This is what works for me. You pour your yeast in the water, take your fork, and you just want to kind of mix it in and get that yeast nice and melted. And if anybody goes to Wilmax.com, tell them the Meatball sent you. Nicely mixed. Yeast, pour it into your bowl. If you got a little more in there, just scoop up some of the mix. And get that off the side. Dump it back in. Mix it up. We're going to mix 6 cups of flour with this mixture. It's going to make a good bit of dough. If you don't want to make that much dough, take a cup of the liquid out, throw it down the sink, you know what I'm saying? But you know what? You can always freeze your dough. So I'm going to make all this dough. I like making dough. Make sure your cup is dry when you scoop in the flour. Okay? You're going to scoop, level it off, dump 1 cup in. You start with 1 cup and mix. Just like you're mixing eggs. It's going to get a little lumpy. Don't worry about the lumps. We're going to take care of that later. Cup 2. Just give it a little scramble, just like you scramble eggs, and you can even turn this. You turn your bowl. Mach 22. Official music of Frankie Meatball. Check them out, guys. They rock. Cup 3. Cup 4. Cup 5. It's going to start getting thicker. You're going to see dough. Cup 6 and the final cup. Now you're going to see it coming together. Very nice, guys. You're going to see it coming together. Very nice. See that? Look at that. Kids love to mix it, you know? Kids love to mix it, and it gives your arm a little break, you know what I mean? Let them mix some too. Let them do the easy mix, and then you come in and do the hard mix, you know what I mean? They mix, you pour the flour in, okay? And if the kids don't want to help, guess what? Tell them, you don't help, you don't eat. All right, look at that. Very nice, guys. Look at that. That's 6 cups, nice and thick, guys, okay? Nice thick, it's coming together, huh? So now you want to clear your workstation, got a nice clean workstation, grab a handful of flour, you're going to throw it in. Now's the time we're going to knead it, okay? Because everybody needs some dough. That's a father joke for you. And it's snowing, okay? So now take your cooking spray, get your rubber spat over the sink. Just so it don't stick. Pull your fork out, huh? Take it off the fork. Alright. Toss that fork to the side. And grab your bowl and put the dough down. Like Frankie Meatball said, no mixer, no problem, guys. Put it on top, because we're going to need it. Alright? Now just knead it. It's going to be a little soft, but you know, you're going to mix it and knead it, okay? And you'll feel those little lumps in the dough, and that's going to go away as you knead it, okay? Again, to knead it, pull it up, pull back, down, and forward. More flour, okay? You're going to do this a couple times, okay? But it's nice and soft. You're pushing down, boom, activating that flour, boom. Roll it back in the flour. When the dough starts getting sticky, you grab some more from your bucket, your bag, and boom, let's mix that in. Boom, see that? Boom, mix it in and knead it. Boom, see that? Boom. You'll feel the dough starting to get a little firmer, okay? You don't want it too firm, because remember, if you're using this for pizza, you gotta roll it out. You want to just give it a little more kneads, a little more knead, okay? Now look at that, huh? Nicey nice, guys. Nice pizza dough. Get yourself a cookie sheet pan or whatever kind of sheet pan. Spray it with some cooking spray. Alright? We're going to cut this up, okay? And it needs at least 2 hours to rise. So remember, it's going to double its size when it rises. You do it in nice little rolls. Nice little roll size. Okay? Make sure you space them out when you put them on your pan. Okay? Space them out pretty good, because again, they're going to expand. Tuck it under, and keep going. Keep moving it in a circle. Okay? Look at that. Make your bread. Again, just grab it and tuck it. Grab it and tuck it. See that? Tuck it around. Make it a nice little boom booms. Alright? Look at that. Very nice. You want to let this rise for at least 2 hours. Okay? What you want to do, you want to cover it. Get yourself some plastic wrap. Okay? Cover it with some plastic wrap. Put the plastic wrap over it. Pull the plastic wrap up. Spray your plastic wrap with cooking spray. This way, the dough, when it rises, doesn't stick to it. Take a damp towel and cover it. And just set it to the side, out of the way. Again, 2 hours to rise, guys. Get yourself half sheet pan. We'll spray it with some of this, right? So it doesn't stick. Even toss some flour on that, okay? Boom. So let's toss that around a little bit, okay? So now what you want to do is grab the dough, kind of make a ball out of it, turn it. You can either pull it or just say boom. Right? Got the stickiness. Again, when it's sticky, put some flour in it again, make your balls. Place it right there. It's going to rise. You're going to make them bigger. They're going to expand. This is your pizza bread. You're going to give your dough 2 hours to rise. And then, it's going to be pizza time. So you got your dough balls here. Everything nice and spaced. Same thing, guys, what we did with the little rolls. Get yourself some plastic wrap. Throw it over. Okay? Grab your cooking spray. Lift it up. We're going to spray it so it doesn't stick. Get yourself a nice damp towel and just lay it right on top. You want to preheat your oven to 400. And, of course, clean your mess up. I'll see you back in 2 hours. Although, I made some earlier than I'm going to bring out. Look at that. Very nice, huh? Sprinkle some flour on it. We're going to get our knife, stuff in the middle. You know, just like a Kaiser roll, right? Put a nice little X there. Now, we're ready to bake. Oven's preheating at 400. We're going to stick these rolls in. Keep your eye on it because you don't want it to burn. Okay? That 15 minutes, we should have some nice fresh bread. This is a 16-inch screen you can get at any restaurant, supply store, or, you know, get them online, wherever. You know what I'm saying? You could put it right here, you could put it on here, and then throw it on your stone. Please, if you're going to make homemade pizza, get yourself a pizza stone. Okay? Got some nice pizza dough here. I'm going to use this big one. It's going to make a nice pizza. Or maybe should I use this one? I'm going to use this one. Make sure you get flour on your spatula if you're going to lift it up with a spatula. Get some flour. Put it on the edge. Alright? Put some on your dough spatch. Just pick it up, 1 scoop. Throw it in your flour. Get a nice coating on it. Now I'm going to make the pizza. Okay? So what we want to do, get your hands, put them together like this. Start from the middle and go down. Just, you want to push all the air to the sides. Okay? And, you know, very nice and gentle. Very nice and gentle. Start from the middle and go down. Okay? So now you got your pizza. Okay? So when you put your hands down and spread. Turn, spread. You always want to make sure you got plenty of flour underneath so it doesn't stick to your workstation. See that? You want to spread. Spread with your left hand. Hold with your right. Okay? Always from the top. Never stretch from here. Stretch from the top. You could actually even pull it. See? So you pull it. Very nice, guys. See that? You could even lift it up and give it a nice little stretch. Like that. Not too much. Alright? Because you don't want it real thin in the middle. You want to get your screen or whatever you're putting it on. Lift it up. Boom. And now you just form it to your screen. Alright, guys. Check that out. We got some nice sandwich rolls. Put them on a nice cooling rack. Nice bread. While this is cooling off, put your oven on 500. Get it ready for the pizza. I'm going to get my fresh sliced mozzarella, put it in my Wilmax bowl. Dang, I use these things all the time. They're beautiful. Grab whatever you need from Wilmax.com. Tell them the meatball sent you, huh? Put a teeny bit on there. Watch what I do. This is my new way of making pizza. Boom. I'm just going to put a teeny bit down. Okay, not fancy, just doesn't have to be a lot, just a little bit. Okay? You take your fresh mozzarella sliced, so lay it down. Very nice. Lay it all over the place. Take your gravy, boat, and pour some of your pizza sauce on. Nice around. Coming in the middle, very nice. Look at that, huh? Take your spoon and just spread the sauce out, guys. Spread it to the edge. Very nice. I hope your oven's heating up to 500 while you're making a masterpiece here. I'm going to put that to the side. Now, you got your cheese, you got your sauce on. Hit it with some salt. Okay, just a tap bit of salt. We're going to hit it with some pepper. A little bit of pepper. Alright. Garlic powder. Granulated garlic. Let's hit that. Let's give it a nice amount of nice garlic powder. Alright. You're going to get some dry oregano. Dump some in your hand. Okay. Pinch from up top so it falls evenly on the pizza. Look at that. Beautiful. Huh? Beautiful. Now, you could just even go around here with your garlic, around the crust with the garlic. Now, we're going to put the pizza in the oven. Huh? No mixer, no problem. Beautiful rolls, beautiful pizza dough, made from dry yeast. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm ready to make a sandwich right on this roll. Take a look at this beautiful roll. Take a look at this beautiful pizza. Look at the crust on that pizza, huh? Beautiful, my favorite pizza, margarita pizza, guys. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe, and remember, the fresher, the better. But everybody can get dry yeast at their local supermarket. Take a look at what Frankie Meatball did. You got your pizza, you got your home